How to start a keto diet quickly. In this video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of the ketogenic diet and discuss how you can start a keto diet quickly. Whether you want to lose weight, improve your health, or boost your energy levels, the keto diet might be just what you need. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the practical steps, let's quickly understand what the keto diet is all about. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that aims to put your body in a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body switches from using glucose as its primary fuel source to burning fat for energy. This shift can lead to numerous health benefits and weight loss. Step 1. Clear out your pantry. To get started with keto, you'll need to remove all the high-carb and sugary foods from your kitchen. This means saying goodbye to bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, and sugary snacks. Instead, stock up on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and oils like olive oil or coconut oil. Step 2. Plan your meals. One of the keys to success on the keto diet is meal planning. Take some time to research and find delicious keto recipes that you enjoy. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. This will help you stay on track and avoid temptations. Step 3. Focus on low-carb vegetables. Vegetables are an essential part of the keto diet as they provide essential nutrients and fiber. Opt for low-carb options such as leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers. These veggies will keep you full and satisfied while keeping your carb intake in check. Step 4. Embrace healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, fats are not the enemy on the keto diet. In fact, they are the primary source of energy. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet, such as avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. These fats will keep you satiated and help your body transition into ketosis. Step 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial on any diet, including keto. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. Staying hydrated will support your body's natural detoxification process and prevent dehydration, which can be more common during the initial stages of keto adaptation. Step 6. Be mindful of your protein intake. While protein is an essential part of the keto diet, it's important to moderate your intake. Consuming too much protein can potentially kick you out of ketosis. Focus on moderate portions of high-quality protein sources like poultry, fish, eggs, and tofu. Step 7. Be patient and listen to your body. Starting a keto diet can be an adjustment, and everyone's journey is different. Some people experience the keto flu during the initial stages, which can include symptoms like fatigue and headaches. Be patient, give your body time to adapt, and listen to how you feel. Remember, starting a keto diet is a personal choice, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making any significant dietary changes. They can provide personalized guidance and support based on your individual needs. That's all for this video on how to start a keto diet quickly. We hope you found these steps helpful and feel empowered to embark on your keto journey. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.